Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm so happy to meet you again to announce for our hands-on basic critical care ultrasound course. This course will be held over 2 days, Saturday 4th and 11th September 2021 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It will be held in Egypt at the Giza Medical Syndicate, Misaha Square, Dubai. Really, it will be an amazing course for juniors because it will cover the very important area you need to know. It includes 8 lectures and 7 skill stations. It will cover the basic applied physics and the machine topology in very simple way. You will know how the machine produce the image, and the most important part, you will learn how to use your knowledge in physics to improve the image and to help you to get good views. And you will know when the skill station of the machine, how to adjust the machine, how to adjust the gain, the focus to get the best image. You will know through skill station how to complete your lung ultrasound examination by high frequency and low frequency probe on volunteer, and at the same time you will see all the lung signs through 100 of real cases. You will know how to do the diaphragmatic assessment for excursion, how far the diaphragm is moving up and down by mmol, and at the same time how to look for the thickness of the diaphragm to diagnose the diaphragmatic atrophy in ICU. You will know how to measure the inferior vena cava collapsibility in the proper way on volunteer. And as regard the basic cardiac module, you will know how to assess left ventricle in practical way, in simple way, in basic way, and how to assess the right ventricle, how to look for pericardial tamponade and shock protocol, and moreover, the last but not the least, you will know on volunteer how to localize. You will know on volunteer how to localize all the central veins, internal jugular, common femoral, and axillary vein through the ultrasound, and through simulators you will know how to insert the catheter under ultrasound guide by two methods, static methods and in-plane dynamic methods. You will do it yourself, and if you don't do it, I will return to you your money back. Okay. This is sample of the slides you will see in the course. You will learn what is the normal lung by ultrasound. It is repeated A line with equidistance between each other with good sliding and seashore appearance by mmol. And you will know the origin of this sign, the basic physics behind the sign. And you will know the origin of all lung signs and the basic physics principle behind these signs, the seashore and the barcode in the pneumothorax, why you see here granular appearance and here it's only transverse line. You will know the difference between A line and the B line, and all our lectures are evidence-based through this international evidence-based recommendation for point-of-care lung ultrasound as regard lung module. You will know how to differentiate between cardiogenic pulmonary edema with B line and the clean pleura, thin clean pleura, and the non-cardiogenic pulmonary edema, the B line with subpleural consolidation and the dirty pleura. You will know how to diagnose pleural effusion and how to look for in the PLAPS area. You will know the intersection between the posterior axillary line and the upper border of the liver. Posterior to this intersection, you will see the PLAPS area, which is the most dependent area in the lung. And you will know how to examine for this PLAPS area and search for pleural effusion and atelectasis. You will know what's the difference between transudate and exudate in pleural effusion. A lot of equals, dirty pleural effusion in exudate and the clear pleural effusion in transudate. You will know what is the difference between consolidation and collapse with this mobile air bronchogram in consolidation, mobile air bronchogram, and how to examine for the diaphragm on volunteer and to examine for excursion to know exactly how far the diaphragm is moving up and down to help you in weaning. In the cardiac module, it is basic cardiac module. You will do on the volunteer all the cardiac views, 4-chamber view, 5-chamber view, long axis parasternal view, short axis parasternal view, and subcostal view. And through these views, you will know in simple way and the practical way how to diagnose the left ventricular failure compared to normal by visual assessment. This is the parasternal long axis view. This is the normal ventricle, and this is the failed ventricle. You know how to differentiate by simple way between both, and how to diagnose and assess the right side dilatation compared to the left side, right side dilatation compared to the left side, and how to differentiate between acute and chronic cor pulmonale. Really, I believe it will be very important course, and I hope it will be done frequently, this basic critical care ultrasound course. I hope to see you all there because really there is a practical session, very important practical session, and very important lectures. Thank you and see you all inshallah. Bye bye.